Fallacy. A fallacy is an argument that uses poor or invalid reasoning, which appears to be correct but is not. An argument can be fallacious whether or not its conclusion is true. A fallacy can be either formal or informal. An error that stems from a poor logical form is sometimes called a formal fallacy or simply an invalid argument. An informal fallacy is an error in reasoning that does not originate in an improper logical form. Arguments committing informal fallacies can be formally valid but still fallacious. Fallacies of presumption fail to prove the conclusion by assuming the conclusion in the proof. Fallacies of weak inference fail to prove the conclusion due to insufficient evidence. Fallacies of distraction fail to prove the conclusion due to irrelevant evidence like emotion. Fallacies of ambiguity fail to prove the conclusion due to vagueness in words, phrases, or grammar. Some fallacies are committed intentionally to manipulate or persuade by deception, others unintentionally due to carelessness or ignorance. Formal fallacy, common examples, Aristotle's fallacies, Whatley's grouping of fallacies, intentional fallacies, deductive fallacy, fallacies of measurement, other systems of classification, formal fallacy. A formal fallacy is a pattern of reasoning that is always wrong. This is due to a flaw in the logical structure of the argument, which renders the argument invalid. Read also about intentional fallacies, deductive fallacies. A logical fallacy is defined formally as flaw in the structure of deductive argument, which renders the argument invalid. Read also about Branham effect, Siksik fallacy, Me Too fallacy, multiple Napoleon's fallacy, Hidden's decisions, the spun glass theory of the mind, fallacies of measurement, anchoring fallacy, naturalistic fallacy, false analogy, argumentum, ecological fallacy. Read also about list of cognitive biases, list of fallacies, list of memory biases, list of paradoxes, association fallacy, cogeny, cognitive bias, cognitive distortion, demagogy, evidence, fallacies of definition, false premise, false statement, invalid proof, mathematical fallacy, paradox, prosecutor's fallacy, sophism, soundness, truth, validity, victim blaming. Read all about fallacy.